Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2015 Chevy Silverado front bumper. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Locate and remove screws and clips under the bumper cover, then pry trim gently to avoid breaking tabs. Support the bumper with a helper before removing fasteners near the fenders. Keep all bolts organized and inspect brackets for damage before reinstalling or replacing parts. Gather your tools and prepare the work area for a smooth bumper removal. Use a socket set with common sizes, Torx bits, and plastic pry tools to protect trim pieces. Work in good light and have a helper available to support the bumper during removal. Keep fasteners organized in a magnetic tray or labeled containers so reassembly is quick and accurate. Take photos of bolt locations for reference when reinstalling the bumper. Quick recommendation: on another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring music and hands-free voice help to your garage while you wrench. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe so I can make more practical tutorials. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals to make your workspace comfier and more efficient. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing lower splash panel fasteners and any skid plate bolts to reveal bumper hardware. Carefully unclip and label fog light and sensor connectors so nothing gets damaged. Remove top and inner fender bolts and have a helper support the bumper as you undo the last fasteners. Slide the bumper straight off the mounts to avoid snagging tabs, then inspect brackets, clips, and alignment points for wear or repair before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.